Unfortunately, most people don't fully understand the essential part nutrition plays when seeking to build quality muscle in a quick, effective way. Many men wrongly believe that exercising alone will give them the body they dream of. However, these men will make very little progress compared to those who do understand that working out produces great results only if it is accompanied by an appropriate diet. This is why I have prepared for you a list with 5 amazing foods that, due to their unique properties, are excellent options to gain the muscle mass you are going after. None of the following foods should be missing from your diet.